Hello everyone. We have a very good news for our students who wants to enroll in trade courses. Firstly, we have a huge scholarship going on and it will start from today till 30th of November. You can avail that scholarship. The prices of the trade courses will be $6,900. Good news for students who belong to those countries like India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Sri Lanka. They don't need to show their funds, also their English proficiencies, so they can apply their visa without those things and they can avail those scholarships as well. That's a huge scholarship which is for trade courses going on right now. So if you want to apply for your visa in that period of time, you can come contact us at iWiseEducation office, book your appointment. We will enroll you in trade courses and we will apply your visa without funds, without English proficiency. And secondly, if you want to avail that scholarship, which is a huge scholarship, which is about 50%, then you can even get your confirmation of enrollment CUE in those dates and then study later on. So you can start your study even from January. Thank you.